Hi everyone, in this video we are going to learn about ISO as an exposure control. ISO is an exposure control which basically has nothing to do with your light, but it is completely dependent upon the sensitivity of your camera. ISO is a complete digital exposure control. Its value generally ranges from 100 to 6400 and even some more high-end DSLRs it's more. A high ISO value leads to more exposed video, but the downside is that it leads to more noise in your footage, and you will also lose details in your videos. You need to keep one thing in your mind while you are shooting videos is that you should never cross your ISO value more than 1600. If you want to have good footage, then try to add more light into your subject or the area that you are shooting, and try to keep the ISO value as low as possible. This will also help you to avoid noise, and you will also get more details in your videos while you are shooting. So this is about ISO, and this is one of the most important thing that you need to keep in mind, because most of the people when they are shooting in low light condition, they'll used to bump up the ISO to get more details in their footage, but they forget that increasing the ISO value doesn't usually help at all when you are shooting in a low light condition. Now, as we have finished learning about ISO, it's time to move on to the next exposure control, which is very important. It's shutter speed. So let's move on to the next one.